You see the Philippines in headlines, typhoons, volcanoes, and postcard-perfect beaches, but those images barely scratch the surface. This country is a land of extremes, shaped by fire and water, with a geography as intricate as it is immense. Its true character lies in the staggering scale and wild variety hidden in its details. Did you know the Philippines stretches as far as Berlin to Istanbul, or that it has the most active volcanoes per land area in Southeast Asia? The world's longest navigable underground river? That's here too. The Philippines constantly defies expectations. Settle in. Here are 10 of the wildest facts about the Philippines you probably never knew. The Philippines isn't just a country of islands, it's a true ocean kingdom, where the sea is as much a part of daily life as the land itself. With 7,641 islands, it's the sixth largest island nation by land area, even bigger than the United Kingdom. Each island, large or small, is a unique world, shaped by the surrounding waters. But the real story is in its waters. The Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone covers a staggering 2.2 million square kilometers. That's over 7 times its land area, making the ocean the country's true frontier. Here, the sea is the nation's lifeblood, shaping not just the climate, but also the culture, traditions, and livelihoods of millions of Filipinos who depend on it every day. The ocean connects the islands, not separates them. Ferries, boats, and ships are the highways that link families, communities, and commerce across the archipelago. Managing a country spread across such vast waters is a monumental challenge, requiring careful coordination, maritime security, and innovative governance. The rhythm of life here is tied to the tides, and history has been written by sailors and fishermen who have navigated these waters for centuries, passing down their knowledge through generations. The Philippines is more ocean than land, a nation defined by the deep blue, where the horizon stretches endlessly and the sea is ever present. Its future depends on how it stewards this immense maritime realm, protecting its rich marine biodiversity and ensuring sustainable use for generations to come. Understanding this oceanic identity is key to understanding the Philippines itself, from its history to its future. Here, boundaries are drawn by coastlines and currents, not fences and roads, making the sea both a border and a bridge. The ocean is the fabric that holds the nation together. Embracing this perspective changes everything, revealing a country truly shaped by the sea. Luzon's Cagayan River is the Philippines' longest, stretching 505 kilometers from the Caraballo Mountains to the Babuyan Channel. Its vast valley, flanked by the Sierra Madre and Cordillera Central, is a fertile breadbasket for rice, corn, and tobacco. For centuries, the river was the region's main highway, shaping settlements like Tuguegarao. Its seasonal floods bring both destruction and renewal, depositing rich soil across the plains. The people here live by the river's rhythms, respecting its power and bounty. The Cagayan isn't just a line on a map, it's a living system that has sculpted land and culture. Even in an island nation, great rivers tell epic stories. The Cagayan is one of the Philippines' most vital. Inland, the Philippines hides wonders like Lake Minot, the country's deepest lake. Nestled in northeastern Mindanao, it plunges to 223 meters, deep enough to swallow a skyscraper. Formed by tectonic forces, its hot springs hint at the geothermal energy below. Though less famous than Taal or Laguna de Bay, Lake Manit is a vital resource for local communities and wildlife. Its depth creates unique ecosystems and a sense of profound stillness. The lake's remote beauty has helped preserve its natural state. Sometimes, the most incredible features are hidden away, waiting to be discovered. Lake Manit is one such secret. Just south of Manila sits Taal Volcano, a geological riddle and a looming threat. This remarkable volcano has fascinated scientists and locals alike for generations, drawing visitors from all over the world who are eager to witness its mysterious beauty and unpredictable power. It's an island in a lake, on an island in a lake, on an island, an astonishing natural Matryoshka doll. This unique formation is unlike any other volcano on Earth, making Taal a true wonder of nature and a puzzle for geologists. Taal is the world's smallest active volcano, but its eruptions are anything but small. Despite its size, it has unleashed some of the most powerful and destructive eruptions in Philippine history, leaving a lasting mark on the landscape and the people who live nearby. Its proximity to millions makes it one of the most closely watched volcanoes on Earth. Scientists work tirelessly to monitor its every move, while communities remain ever vigilant, knowing that their lives could be upended at any moment. Taal's phreatomagmatic eruptions, where magma meets water, create violent explosions and deadly pyroclastic flows. These interactions between fire and water are both mesmerizing and terrifying, capable of transforming the peaceful landscape in seconds. The beauty of Taal's lake conceals its explosive potential. What appears serene and inviting can quickly become a scene of chaos, reminding us never to underestimate nature's hidden forces. Its 2020 eruption showed how quickly life here can change. In just hours, ash blanketed towns, forcing thousands to flee and disrupting daily life across the region. Taal is a living reminder that beauty and danger often go hand in hand. Its dual nature captivates and cautions, drawing people in while warning them to stay alert. Its story is far from over. Each day, Taal continues to evolve, its future uncertain, and its mysteries still unfolding. The volcano's unique structure is a testament to the power simmering beneath the surface. Layers of rock and ash tell a story of countless eruptions and relentless geological change. Taal's greatest charm is also its greatest threat. The same forces that create its breathtaking scenery can also bring devastation in an instant. It's a place where geography and geology collide in spectacular fashion. Respect is always required, for Taal is a reminder of nature's unpredictable power and enduring wonder. The Philippines' mangrove forests are among the world's largest and most vital. These tidal forests protect coastlines from storms, nurture fisheries, and store massive amounts of carbon. Their tangled roots are nurseries for countless fish and crustaceans, supporting food security and local economies. Mangroves are biodiversity hotspots, home to unique wildlife adapted to salty, shifting environments. Decades of destruction taught hard lessons, but restoration efforts are now underway. Communities are replanting mangroves, recognizing their true value. These forests are not wastelands, they're priceless natural assets. The future of the coast depends on their survival. Off the Philippines' east coast lies the Philippine Trench, one of Earth's deepest oceanic chasms. The Galathea depth plunges over 10,500 meters, deeper than Everest is tall. This trench marks a subduction zone, where tectonic plates collide and fuel the country's volcanoes and earthquakes. It's the engine behind the Philippines' seismic activity and volcanic landscapes. The trench is a frontier of science, revealing the limits of life and the forces that shape our planet. It's a place of creation and destruction, hidden beneath the waves. The Philippine Trench is a reminder of the immense power beneath our feet. The Philippines is a land of mountains. Its dramatic peaks and ridges stretch across the archipelago, shaping the very character of the nation. In fact, 60% of its area is rugged highlands, making the country one of Southeast Asia's most mountainous regions. These ranges create countless microclimates, sheltering rare and unique species found nowhere else on Earth, and influencing the way people live, farm, and interact with nature. For centuries, the mountains have been sanctuaries for indigenous peoples, preserving ancient traditions and languages. They are also sites of remarkable engineering, like the Banaue rice terraces, carved by hand into the steep slopes over 2,000 years ago. But these majestic peaks are born of fire. The Philippines sits atop the volatile Pacific Ring of Fire, with 24 active volcanoes constantly reshaping the land. Mayon, famed for its perfect cone, is the most active of them all, erupting more than 50 times in the past 400 years, a symbol of both beauty and danger. The rich volcanic soil brings life and fertility to the farmlands, supporting generations of farmers, but eruptions can bring sudden devastation and hardship. For those who call these mountains home, the land is both a source of livelihood and a constant reminder of nature's unpredictability, a homeland and a hazard. The same forces that build breathtaking beauty can also unleash destruction, forever altering lives and landscapes. The Philippines landscape stands as a living testament to the enduring power of fire and earth, a place where creation and destruction are forever intertwined. Beneath Philippine waters lies the world's third-largest coral reef system, 26,000 square kilometers of vibrant life. At the heart of the Coral Triangle, the Philippines is a global hotspot for marine biodiversity. Over 500 coral species and 2,000 fish species thrive here, making it a paradise for divers and scientists alike. Apo Reef is the country's largest, a living fortress protecting coastlines and supporting millions. These reefs are vital for food, livelihoods, and climate resilience. But they're threatened by climate change and pollution. Protecting them is one of the Philippines' greatest environmental challenges. The fate of these reefs is tied to the fate of the oceans, and to us all. Deep in Palawan, the Puerto Princesa subterranean river winds through a vast cave system, the world's longest navigable underground river. For over 8 kilometers, boats glide through cathedral-like chambers, past surreal stone formations. The river flows directly into the sea, creating a rare mix of freshwater and marine ecosystems. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a haven for unique wildlife, from bats to swiftlets to cave-dwelling fish. It's a journey into the planet's hidden geology. A place of awe and wonder. The underground river is a testament to the slow, powerful forces of water and time. To float here is to witness nature's artistry in darkness. Mount Apo towers over Mindanao as the Philippines' highest peak, 2,154 meters above sea level. This dormant volcano, called Grandfather, is a sacred land for indigenous peoples and a sanctuary for rare wildlife. Its slopes shelter the critically endangered Philippine eagle, the country's national bird. Climbing Apo is a journey through rainforests, mossy woods, and volcanic boulders, ending with panoramic views. The mountain's geothermal vents and craters hint at the fire still simmering below. Apo is a source of water, life, and inspiration for the region. It stands as a powerful guardian, embodying the wild spirit of the archipelago. Mount Apo is more than a summit, it's a symbol of the Philippines' untamed beauty. From ocean kingdoms to volcanic peaks, the Philippines is a land of superlatives and surprises. Each fact is a chapter in the epic story of how this archipelago was forged. The forces that shape its land and sea are deeply interconnected. There are countless more stories waiting to be told. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more. Tap your screen to discover even more mind-blowing geography facts.